Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. After that, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Then click on Text Correction. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same now gray switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!